perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for specific watches and warnings in the Clinton